Hi, everyone. This is Trader Greg Kilpack, and I am doing very well this morning because the stock that I bought on Friday is already up 16% today, and it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time. So I'm very happy. 16% in one day, that's awesome because most stocks they make over long periods of time about 9 or 10% per year. That's not how you get rich at 9% per year, unless you're already a billionaire. You're not going to do well growing small accounts with that kind of money, with that kind of return. You've got to make 3, 4, 5, 10 baggers, 10 times your money. And I've done that several times in my career. And you do that with growth stocks. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so this is Yahoo Finance, where is a free site, and this is True Leaf Cannabis, a medical marijuana company right here in Florida. Now, right here at the X, that's where I bought True Leaf right before COVID hit. Ow, bad timing. So I bought it at $10.70 a share, and it immediately dropped to $6 a share. So these things are volatile. You've got to take the right amount of risk with them. But I thought, I'm not going to worry about it. This stock is growing really well financially. They're on fire. They're going to be fine. And it worked out. Boy, I held this stock for 13 months, just over 1 year, sold it around February of 2021 at $44 a share, 4 times profit in 13 months. That, my friends, is how you make real money in the markets. Okay. You also have to know when to buy them and sell them. So basic technical analysis skills here. Because if I had held on after it going above $50 a share, then here it is today in May of 2023. The stock is at $4.36 a share. So I could have turned a huge winner into a big loser, more than 50% loss on this. So you really need to know the management skills when you go with these growth stocks. You also need to know, when to buy them and when to sell them and how to manage them. Okay, so I'm offering a couple services to help you do that. First off, I've got Gregg's Growth Stock newsletter. It's $50 a month. We're going to send you one newsletter each month highlighting a growth stock that looks great. It's on fire. It may or may not be time to buy them. I'm not going to give you any recommendations, but I'll let you make your own decisions about that, but show you stocks that are doing really, really well and likely to be 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 times your money within a few years, hopefully. Okay, this is how you make real money in the markets. If you only have, 1, 2, 5, $10,000 in your retirement account, you need to take a little bit more risk in the hopes of making bigger returns. That's how you do it. You also need to know a little bit about the market cycles, when this bear market is likely to end. Okay, but if you buy at the right time, boy, it's great to make great money in the markets with these growth stocks. That is how you do it, my friends. So, in addition to the newsletter that highlights growth stocks and helps you understand how to manage them based on what I'm seeing, I will also offer a training over Zoom that teaches you how to find and recognize growth stocks, how to manage them, so you don't have to just wait for my newsletter. You have a good understanding of what's going on. Now, we offer that every month or so. It's $399. And you don't have to take that if you don't want to. You can just do the newsletter on a monthly basis. There's no commitment. You just sign up, you get the newsletter, you pay the $50, and you get some stocks that are taking off, as well as the stocks that we've been looking at and are on our watch list. So I've got this stock that I did, and at some point in the future, I'm probably going to buy it again. That's True Leaf Cannabis, but I'm watching it. It's on the watch list. But this is not the stock where I just made 16% in one day. In fact, in about 4 hours is how much I made. And this thing is likely to keep taking off. So hurry and sign up for the newsletter. Because if you don't, you're going to pay higher prices in the market than you need to. You're going to miss out on some of that growth, especially important right now when the market's still going down or sideways. All right. All you have to do is email me. I'll tell you where to send the money, and I'll send you the first newsletter in Gregg's Growth Stock newsletter. Okay. I hope that helps. I offer a lot of personal training on how to trade and invest in the markets. So contact me if you want lessons or anything like that. But in the meantime, I wish you the best of luck in trading and sign up for the newsletter. This is Greg Kilpack. I've been studying the markets for over 30 years, and I can help you make serious money in the markets.